Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use a fantastic feature called Xclone on your Infinix phone. This tool allows you to create a secondary independent version of your favorite social media application so you can run two accounts at the same time on one phone. It's a game changer for balancing your work and private life. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings. Let me close this. And now let's find the settings icon and tap on it. Once you open the settings on your Infinix phone, scroll down and look for the option called special function and then tap on it. Here, look for the option called Xclone, and once you find it, tap on it, of course, and you will see list of recommended applications right here, and we can use Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. If you have more applications like WhatsApp and stuff like that, you probably will see them here, or if you tap on Try More Apps, they might appear right here on the More Apps list. Now, to clone the application, you simply find it and then enable the function for it. So let's say I want to clone the Messenger. I can tap on the switch. It will start installing. And then the shortcut will be added to the home screen. So if you go to home screen, you will see this shortcut with those dots on it. This means that this app is cloned. So if you go to the app menu, you will see that you have normal Messenger without this icon on the icon, or rather on the image of the app, or this small icon on the icon. It sounds weird, but we have it. And a normal one without it. So we have two of them. This is the cloned one, and this is the normal application. And now you can basically use one, log in some kind of account. And if you want to use another account, you can open the cloned one and log in into a different account on the same phone. And then you can switch between them normally and use them at the same time. And basically, that's it. If you want to disable this feature, you simply go back to the Xclone settings and disable it, close. And after that, the icon will disappear, the cloned icon will disappear, as you can see. So if you want to use it again, you will need to re-enable it. And that's basically it. You can now log into second account or on the cloned application without affecting your main one, basically. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay organized. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.